Only 1% can solve this. Easy mode. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. Which animal gives us milk? Cow. Which animal is the largest on Earth? Blue whale. Which animal barks? Dog. Which animal has a long trunk? Elephant. Which animal is known for hopping? Kangaroo. Which animal lives in water and on land? Frog. Which animal is called man's best friend? Dog. Which animal produces wool? Sheep. Which animal has stripes? Zebra. Medium mode. Which animal is the fastest on land? Cheetah. Which animal can change its color? Chameleon. Which bird cannot fly? Penguin. Which animal sleeps upside down? Bat. Which animal is the tallest? Giraffe. Which animal is known for its shell? Turtle. Which animal has black and white fur? Panda. Which animal lives in a hive? Bee. Which animal can live without water the longest? Camel. Which animal is nocturnal? Owl. Hard mode. Which animal has the longest lifespan? Tortoise. Which animal has fingerprints like humans? Koala. Which mammal lays eggs? Platypus. Which animal has the strongest bite? Crocodile. Which animal has 3 hearts? Octopus. Which animal can sleep standing up? Horse. Which animal has blue blood? All of these. Which animal has the largest brain? Whale. Which animal cannot jump? Elephant. Which animal uses echolocation? Bat. Insane mode. Which animal never stops growing teeth? Rat. Which animal has the most bones? Snake. Which animal can regenerate limbs? Lizard. Which animal has the largest eyes? Giant squid. Which animal can survive in space briefly? Cockroach. Which animal can hold breath longest? Whale. Which animal sweats through its paws? Dog. Which animal has no vocal cords? Giraffe. Which animal can taste with its feet? Butterfly. Which animal has the longest migration? Butterfly. Out of 40 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.